Creating a custom cover page. Go to your global settings and click on the Reports tab. Click New and select Cover Page. I've got one started here. So what you do is you drag and drop from this list on the left onto the page. Let's drag and drop a line and a blank space. I can now click on the blank space and adjust the size of it. I can also move things up and down, so I'm going to move the line down. Now I can add a secondary line, and maybe we'll shrink this. Click on Add Content if you need to get back to this list. You can select either company logo or project logo if you're working on a brand. Drag and drop it. Now click on it. From here, you can center the item, right justified or left, increase the size. You can also add attributes like I've done here. So drag and drop an attribute. Now click on it and come here to select what it will be. First, you want to determine whether it's going to be a project attribute, such as the address or maybe project number. Click on that. You can also now shrink this down if you'd like to add information to the right. Let's now add another attribute to the right of this one. Click on it. This time, instead of a project attribute, let's do a report attribute, and this will be the page number. Now I can click on this and make it right justified. To delete something you've indicated, click on it and use the trash can. Make sure to include the name, then save the cover page you've adjusted. Now you have to assign this page to a report. So go back, now I'm in the Reports tab again. Select the report you'd like to attach this cover page to. On the left, you'll see an Add-ons tab. Go to Cover Page, pick the one you just made, click Save, and now this report will now have your new custom cover page attached to it.